Hey there guys, it's RoseyLikeMe here, and today we are going to be covering the string method isdigit. So in our last episode, we kind of covered the string method isAlpha, and basically that checked if our string only contained letters. Now it would return a Boolean answer, true or false. Now same goes for isdigit, but it will check if our string only contains numbers. So without further ado, let's dive into that. Let's go ahead and test the string.isdigit syntax. So I'm just going to print it out. We're gonna create a string right here, .isdigit, right? So basically it tests if this thing only contains numbers. So let's say I say H34F. It should return the value false because this does not only contain numbers, but it also contains letters as well as a space. So if we do 34 isdigit and if we run that, then it should say true. And now let's go ahead and put that into our code that we have here. For example, we can use the isdigit method for wanting an input of age. So right over here it says, how old are you? And we did the isAlpha thing, which only checks for numbers. Or letters, so excuse me. So instead of age.isAlpha, we could do age.isdigit. And now when it does that, we could say break rather than please try again. So now this is only going to accept numbers, and that's what we want, right? So let's go ahead and run this piece of code right now. So enter your name. I'm going to say my name is 345 just to test that out, right? It doesn't work because it's going to only accept letters. If I put a space, it doesn't work. So I'm just going to put Rosie. So hello, Rosie. How old are you? If I put 5, it's not going to accept it because it's letters. But if we put space G, also, it doesn't accept it. It only wants a number. So how old are you? I will say I am 55. So what is something that you like? And that doesn't matter. But anyways, Rosie likes blah, 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 and is 55 years old. So that's one of the uses of when isdigit is useful, when you're trying to only get numbers from your user. So I hope you enjoyed learning the isdigit method with me, and go ahead and give a like, subscribe, and comment. How are you going to use isdigit? Or where are you in your Python learning journey or any self-development journey? Anyways, I hope to see you guys next time. Annyeong. I'm pretty tired.